Hi. Hi to my YouTube and to TikTok and other social media. Yeah, this is me. Hi, Chris. Yeah, here's Glen Burnie, Maryland. It's in its first major snowstorm in 2025, and we never had accumulating snow in a few years. And yeah, this is incredible. And wow, I love snow. I've always been telling people that. And as you can see, I got a yardstick right here, and hmm, two more spots, and and yeah, 6 inches. We have now 6 inches of snow in Glen Burnie, and this is so incredible. Yeah, all the flags are ordered by President Biden to be flown at half-mast because of President Carter passing away. And yeah, I just wanted to take a video of all the snow that we had. All government agencies, local and state and local governments are closed due to the storm, this snowstorm. That means schools, local government offices, and are closed. So we were supposed to have our apartment building renovated, but because the Housing Commission was also a government agency, they were closed too. So finally using my hiking boots as snow boots, but oh boy, this is so much fun. So yeah, this is Glen Burnie in the snow. So so this is Glen Burnie in snow. So yeah, so beautiful, so white. Had to get my gloves on. So therefore, I'm going to turn off the video.